Hello, my name is Abia, and today we're gonna be doing a little March favorites moment. Kind of like my monthly essentials. I'm gonna show you guys the things that I've been obsessed with this month, and let's get right into it. I'm gonna try to like categorize it so that it kind of like flows and like makes sense. So we're gonna start with makeup. Let's start with makeup. So the makeup I've been loving this month happened to be two blushes, and the first blush is the Fenty cream blush in the shade Crush on Cupid. If you watched my spring makeup tutorial, you know that I use this, and it is just this beautiful pink shade. Oh, it's just beautiful. It's like this bright, I don't know if it's gonna show up here. Oh, there it goes. It's like this beautiful, like bright pink color, and it looks really intense in the pot, but once you like blend it out, it is really, really pretty. And this has just been my go-to like spring blush this upcoming spring. The second blush is the ColourPop blush sticks. Mine is in the shade Aloha, and it is just this very beautiful. Now, I did drop this, unfortunately, moments ago. It's the blush I'm wearing today, and I dropped it, and it like kind of popped out of the container, so it's looking a little busted, looking a little worse for wear. But it is like this beautiful, let's see if I can kind of swatch it. Yeah, it's just this beautiful peachy pink shade. It's like the perfect little tint. It's not too intense. You can build it up if you want, but it's really, really nice. And I like the little like stick applicator. Just don't drop yours on the ground. Yeah, but that's that. And then the last makeup item is the Fenty refillable Icon lipstick. My favorite one that I've been loving is in this shade Scala Sista. It's just this beautiful, like kind of pinky nude shade, and I've just been obsessed with it. It's just perfect. The case is perfect. Everything about this is perfect. I have one fragrance that I've really been loving, and you guys. Oh, it is Sol de Janeiro by Sol. It is their like iconic like pistachio vanilla warm scent. It's the, if you don't know, like it's the bum cream. The bum cream in like the yellow tin. This is like that in perfume form, and when I tell you, I smelled this in Sephora probably like a couple months ago, and I like couldn't get it out of my head. I was like, wait, I need this. And they have like they have the perfume, and then you can just get like a regular like misty mist. And I just decided to get the perfume, and it is just, it is just divine. I will say the only downside to this is that it doesn't last super long. It probably lasts like 4 hours, and then I can't smell it anymore. But those 4 hours, are divine. So that's been my my little fragrance. Let's move on to hair care. I have one hair care thing I want to talk about, and it is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Honey Mask. And they recently came out with a vegan honey mask. Like I think they had one like that they would release every winter, and it was like not vegan honey, and I guess the girls were up in arms about it, and they said give us the vegan honey. Okay, so this is the vegan honey one. I've actually never tried the one previous to this with the real honey, so I can't really compare which one's better, but this is lasting me so long, and I use a lot. Like when I mask my hair, like we're drenching it, baby, we're drenching it. And this has lasted me probably like 3 months, and I use it once a week, and like I probably have like one more use left, but I wanted to like make sure that I really liked it before I talked about it. And this stuff is amazing. It's worth the price. My hair has never felt softer after I clean it. It's just amazing. I usually leave it in. I think it's recommended to leave it in for like 10-15 minutes, but sometimes I leave it in for like an hour, and it just leaves my hair feeling like, I mean, it's just the softest. You have to try it. I don't know if this is a permanent item. I think it might just be like in the holiday kit that they have. That's what I bought it in, but peep it. It's good. Okay, next, that's the hair care. Next, let's move on to skincare. Let's do some skincare stuff. So I have 2 items from Paulas Choice. The first item is the Paulas Choice Optimal Results Hydrating Cleanser, and this is a silky lotion, gently removes makeup and impurities, replenishes skin protective barrier. Now, what I will say about this is that I wasn't in love with this. Like I wasn't like, j'adore, this is queen, but I didn't hate it, and I enjoyed using it this month. I have really dry, parched skin, so when I bought it and it said hydrating cleanser, I was like, ooh, like could be good for me, right? And it's not hydrating, but it wasn't anything like special, like, oh, like my skin didn't feel extra hydrated. Like I've used other cleansers that didn't specify being hydrated, and it was more hydrating than this. I'm saying it's a favorite because it is good though. It is good. It definitely cleanses the skin. I know there's like some stuff in here that's good for your skin. It wasn't an unfavorite, but I wanted to mention this because it is a good product. It is a good product. Long spiel to say that it's a good product. The next thing from Paulas Choice is the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. If you don't do anything else, if you don't listen to anything else I say about this video, if you don't get anything else that I recommend in here, you have to get this. This has changed my skin. This has changed the game. It's an exfoliant, but you leave it on your skin. Like you put it on like you would like a toner. I use like a cotton pad or like a damp cloth, and you rub it on, and the consistency at first is like water, and then it turns into like this like serum-y consistency, and you let it sit in your skin, and then you can like put on your moisturizer, your serums, your night cream, whatever else, and when you wake up, your skin is just the softest. Your skin is so soft, your skin is so clear. It really helps with like acne and like hyperpigmentation and blemishes. Whenever I'm on my period and like my face starts blowing up, I'll do some of this, and it's just like, I don't know what I was doing before I was using this, and it's just amazing. I will say, when you first start using this, do it like once every, I gotta say try it like maybe twice a week and see how your skin reacts, and then build on that. Like you can use this every day. Some people use this day and night. I just use it. I've gotten to a rhythm where like my skin likes it every other day is what I'll do. Like when you first use this, I will say it does burn, right? Because it is an exfoliant, there is acid in this. And I think if you've never used a product like this, your skin might be like a little bit like, oh, what's going on? So when you first use it, it does burn, but like once you continue to use it, the burning kind of, it's like an intense burn. It's more just like a tingling sensation that you feel because of the acid. But then once you keep using it, your skin gets used to it, and like it just doesn't feel like anything. But I think if you're wanting to like even out your skin tone, kind of like even out the hyperpigmentation, the blemishes that you have, I think this is a really great product. I'm obsessed with it. I'm gonna use this for the rest of my life. So there's that. And then my last skincare product is the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. I normally use the Welda Skin Food on my face because again, my face is drier than the desert. Okay, we need optimal hydration for my face. I ran out of that and I didn't feel like paying $20 to buy a new one. So I went to the drugstore and I found this. And it's at a reasonable price. And it works. good. It's really good. I think for drugstore, it really is a rich cream that works on dry skin. Like my skin, again, is so dry. So like, it's very rare that like I find a regular like drugstore moisturizer that actually moisturizes my skin. So I was really happy when I found this. It works great. The smell is very nostalgic, and it comes like you get so much. It's gonna last me like forever. So that rounds up the skincare stuff. And I have one body type thing, and it might be kind of random, but this is the Olay Nourishes for Glowing Skin Body Wash. And I have mine in the cocoa butter and manuka honey. And it has this really cool, they're doing a limited edition like artist like cover. And it's been really great. I love the pump. It makes your skin so soft. It smells so good. And if you're looking to try a new body wash, I recommend it. Okay, last two things, and then I'll let you go, are clothing items. Now, if you watched my latest, I think my last vlog, you will have known that I stumbled upon a miracle, okay? I found a pair of Agolde jeans. Agolde jeans are like the top tier of jean brands. They cost like over $200, and I found a pair of Agolde jeans at Nordstrom Rack for $45. I'm still emotional about it. Like, I don't really know how to feel, but they have just been my go-to jeans. I think they'll be my go-to jeans for the rest of my life until I can't fit them or until they rip. And here they are, and they are the crisscross jeans. So they are the crisscross jeans. So like, you know, they crisscross, and this part is lower. It goes like lower, and they are this beautiful light wash, and they're long. They go all the way down to the floor, and they're baggy, and they're perfect, and I'm just obsessed with them. These are my favorite jeans to ever exist, and I'm so glad that I found them. These are my Agolde jeans, obsessed. And then my last but not least item in this favorites video is my Gymshark puffer. Yeah! I made a spring capsule wardrobe outfits video. If you want to see how I styled this, I'll link it up there for you. But this is in black. I got it in a large. And it's just been my ride or die. It's been my ride or die. It's getting cold again here where I live. It was like 50s and 60s for like a week. And now it's 30 degrees again. So very sad. Very sad. So I've been rocking this puffer. I've been loving it. If you are thinking about getting this puffer, the reviews, like, they led me astray, folks, okay? A lot of the reviews were like, it runs big, so like size down. A lot of them are saying size down because it runs big. So typically in tops, I wear like a large. So I was like, okay, well maybe I'll get a medium. And then I was like, I hate returning things. So I was like, well, if you get a medium and it's too small, you have to return it. But if you get a large and it's a little bit too big, you can work with the oversizedness. So I ended up getting a large, and it fits me perfectly. If I would have gotten a medium, it would have been way too small. And even if I got an extra large, it still would have been fine. So I would say, don't size down in this. Definitely get your normal size, like your normal size that you wear in tops. It is naturally a little bit oversized, but not enough where I would suggest you size down. So I just wanted to put that out there because in my opinion, the reviews were misleading. I don't know. I mean, maybe if you're like petite, like then size down, but if you know, normally wear like a large, extra large, don't get a medium. Don't do a sis. But this is my jacket. I love it. It's so warm, it's so cozy. But yeah, that is it for my monthly essentials, my March favorites. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I make new videos every week, so subscribe to join the fam, okay, sis, okay, bro, subscribe. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are. And I'll see you guys in the next one.